All right, so you're looking at one of the most advanced swing trading strategies, indicators, whatever you want to call it, price action, whatever. Right? I'm going to turn on one indicator right here. Boom. This is default, the way it comes. This is the way I like to set it up. I'm going to show you. Turn this off. Turn this off. I like to see the middle line, and that's it. Okay. And then I'm going to change the color of my zone to red. I like the red, the dark red. And then here's the end caps. You can turn them on and off. I wouldn't. Right there. That's that right there. And if you notice, where did this wick? Where did this wick at? Right into the end cap right there. What is the end cap? This is your entry method for swing trades. Now, I'm going to show you how important these are. Without them turned on, this is the end of the previous week, and this is the beginning of the next week. And right here is where all the unfulfilled orders are for the previous week. They're sitting right here. Well, without the indicator, with the indicator, without the indicator, with the indicator. We draw a line here. I always draw a line here and set an alert, right? But I turn on these end caps, make it a lot easier to see them. And once they have passed through them, they turn mitigated and they'll change colors, and you can set that for whatever your heart desires. And this was a complete week of trading on ES. So you could have bought in right here, set your stop loss right under that zone, and target this high or one of these highs, however we're going to exit the trade. We have multiple strategies for exits, right? And there's a 638 tick move on ES, and that started on Monday and it ended on Friday. There you go. There's a way to swing it. Now, this, you can use this to get into all kinds of swing trades. You can hold forever. You can go to the 1 hour right here, and you will find, now I always come down here in these mitigated ones. I always put 1% on the transparency, because I want to know they're there, but I don't want them overtaking the screen, right? So I take them to 1% and I make them yellow, and it'll look like this once it calculates. There you go. And when you zoom in, you can, well, I guess I went to 0. Did I go to 0? Oh, it's just a little too much. There we go. Now I can barely see them, and that's all I want. I want to know they're there, but I don't want them overtaking my screen. Now here's on the hour, and this is wicking into this previous zone right here. You could have bought this and went all the way up. This is literally how we get into Bitcoin trades. Weekly swing on Bitcoin trades. And here is the high right here. And then you get your break, right? And then here comes your retest of the zone of this high, like that. And look at price. And then here we go. We did it again. Came down, but you're getting in way sooner because you can see where the mid caps are. So this one ended right here. If you look at this high over here, right there, look at this mid cap right here. We come down, we tap into the low, right? And we respect the mid cap, and boom, you're off into the trade. And they are very good levels to find reversals and set stop losses, because if it breaks through one, it's probably going the other way. The cool thing about this is you can set this to any time frame you want, any session. So here's the New York session. Go to a smaller time frame so we can actually see it. And here is the New York. So every one of these is the New York session. This one is the one that happened on Friday. And if you were like us using this tool, we shorted from here to here. Now, this right here is the next daily session. And if you look, it came down, boom, respected this zone right here and took off. Boom, there it goes. So these will give you really good points to get into trades. Now, this is our break and retest right here that we like to use. This is an orb break and retest right here. This 15 minutes. So we have our 930 right here. We have our low at 9:45, right about there, right? Right about there. And then we have our 15-minute range high right there. And look, break, retest, it respects the session zone. Your beacon line, which is this line right here, starts to turn green and it breaks out, and you get your first green candle over the squeeze zone. That's what this is right here. Price is being squeezed when inside of it, and it's running when it's on top or below. And you get a green candle, which is powered by the indicator, busting out all at the same time. This is an amazing entry to tackle 50 or something ticks of ES right there without a single lick of drawdown. And you can do that every single day. Every single day this thing happens. That is one of our bread and butter trades right there. We do it every day. Now, how do you get this indicator? Well, it took me a few years to figure out how to build it. Well, a few years to figure out how to make it work, and then a while to build it. And we are offering it right here. So you go to breakouthunter.com. We have an automated version of this. If you want that, it comes with it. We have setup instructions right here to set up the bot and all the different things you'll need and whatever. We also have a turnkey install service, which is $100, and we'll do it for you. But to get the First Light Beacon, you just come here and you click on free trial, right? Now, the Hunters Club comes with the bot and the First Light Beacon and our live streaming service where we call live scalps and trades every day, and swing trades. We swing trade Bitcoin weekly, and that's what we call on that. Or you can just get the indicators right here and go about it on your own. Obviously, you get support and help and strategies and things like that, but you won't get access to the live streams and everything else if you choose this. And then here's our bot setup service right here. So, but if you see, we have some reviews, and they're all really good. These are real people. You can talk to them in our Discord, which you will have access when you pick either one of these options. All right, have a great day.